In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on TEMU. Whether you're new to this process or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the entire experience from start to finish. First and foremost, if you don't have an Afterpay account yet, you'll need to create one. You can do this by downloading the Afterpay app or visiting their official website. The setup involves providing some personal details and linking either a valid debit or credit card. Once you have your Afterpay account ready to go, you're all set to use it on TEMU. We'll start by navigating to the TEMU website. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the TEMU homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see an option to sign in or register. Click that to proceed. Now log into your TEMU account using your credentials. If you don't have an account with TEMU, you'll need to register first, but today we'll assume you already have an account ready. So, you've browsed the site, added your desired products to the cart, and are ready to proceed. Now look for the cart icon, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. Give it a click, and you'll be taken to a summary of all the items you've added to your cart. Review your selections and make sure everything looks good. Next step, click on the checkout button. This is where you'll find all the important details like shipping options and payment methods. When you reach the checkout page, scroll down to the payment section. You'll see various options for how you'd like to pay. Look for Afterpay as one of these options and select it. It's that simple. Once you've selected Afterpay, all that's left is to click the Submit Order button. Easy, right? After you've submitted your order, Afterpay will do a quick approval process. It's straightforward and typically doesn't take much time. They will verify if you qualify for their installment payment plan. If everything checks out, your total purchase amount will be divided into 4 equal payments. The first of these payments is due immediately, so be prepared for that initial charge. The remaining 3 payments will be conveniently deducted from your linked card every 2 weeks. And there you have it. Using Afterpay on TEMU is a seamless way to manage your purchases and budget effectively. Remember, always make sure that your account has sufficient funds to cover these automatic payments to avoid any inconvenience. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now ready to take full advantage of shopping with Afterpay on TEMU. Happy shopping!